We need to take you and pluck you out of this pack and don't do what they're doing. Do something different. Do something crazy. Do something excited. You got to do something to stand out, because all of these people that just walk in a line, they're little drones in the simulation, we're all in a simulation. They're like, just show me the step by step. Show me the step. What's happening is everybody just wants things to be easier for them. But you don't become more successful by things being easier. So just put on your thinking hat. You should want things to be harder than they are, because things being easier will not make you tougher. In order for you to succeed in anything, you need to be able to rise above the issue and look at it like it's a smaller issue. Look, as you get more successful, your problems don't get smaller. Your problems get bigger. What happens is your mindset gets bigger, and your mindset is able to not get so overwhelmed by problems. Your mindset goes, wow. When I was first getting started, I used to look at this as just like a fire hose of information, didn't know what to do with it. But as you become more successful, your mindset says, wow, I didn't realize that was nothing like a fire hose. In fact, it was actually just so much direct information that when you get to these successful levels, this is all anybody talks about. But beginners, they always want something different. Beginners always want something for them. Unfortunately, that doesn't get results. And unfortunately, in this program, it's not going to be like that. In this program, I'm more like the drill sergeant, the boot camp instructor, and I'm going to be telling you how it is, and you got someone on your side every single day that actually wants you to make money. That is not going to give up until you make money. Is it going to be easy? No. Is it going to be a lot of information? Yes. Are you going to be able to follow along? Absolutely not.